Here we are, we've just arrived at the William IV Hotel in Norwich, which is in Quebec Road. It was a bit difficult to find, but now we're here. Let's go and have a look. It's the stairs up to the rooms. So here we are, we've just checked into the William IV Hotel, which is in Quebec Road in Norwich, and we paid £89.10 for this room for one night for two people. It's a flat screen TV and a desk with a mirror on it, and there's a large mirror there, two chairs and a fan, but I can't get the fan to work. It maybe will a bit later when I've worked out how to do it. And there's the bed. There's towels, there's shower gels and shampoos, a window and a wardrobe. There's the view from the window. I think that's the Wi-Fi, but I'm not quite sure. There's a pod coffee machine with some pods, a kettle, or a selection of coffees, teas, milks, sugars, bottle of water and biscuits, which I'm looking forward to having in a minute. I've got the fan to work. Silly me, I was pressing the wrong button. We've got breakfast in the morning included in the price, and here's the menu. Looking forward to that. There's charging points for your phone. It's a nice touch, and tissues at the side of the bed. And I know this is probably a weird thing to say, but I love this sparkly wallpaper. There's a fridge here, should you need it. Inside the wardrobe there's an iron and an ironing board if you should need it when you're on holiday. And this is the bathroom. So there's a sink with some hand sanitizer, stretchable mirror and a shower. And there's shower gel in there as well. It's the morning after our stay here, and we had a really good night's sleep. The bed was very comfortable and it was very quiet. So now let's go for breakfast.
All opportunities, but I just don't want to be in a situation given experiences where I am.
So that was our stay at the William IV Hotel. So you can see the area it's in. It's in the residential area of Norwich, which is really nice and quiet. The only downside to it was a little bit difficult to find if you haven't been here before. And also we're quite a way away from everything that's going on in Norwich. So now we've got to walk up there to get back to the town centre. And we had a great stay here. It was a really nice hotel. For the price, it was really good. We had a lovely room and a big breakfast. We were absolutely stuffed now. And I think if we were coming to Norwich again for anything, we'd come here again.